Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, June 13. The time is 2:45 a.m. GMT, and today we are looking at the chart of copper. This is a 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here that the metal rallies in a 5 waves from the lows. We got this 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a diagonal, by the way. There is an overlap, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ended with 1 in the minor degree at the top. We can check out the RSI, the momentum, and then we are seeing a divergence here, which is typical for with 5 here, right? Price making a higher high, but momentum makes a lower high. Now, based on this 5 ways up, that will suggest that as long as we stay above 3.54, we should be looking for another leg higher. So for now, we are looking for a potential 3 ways pullback in which we might still see another leg down, okay, to finish this C of 2 before the metal then rallies again as long as it stays above 3.54. Now this week is a very busy week. We have a CPI on Tuesday and then the FOMC on Thursday, so it could potentially be quite market moving this week. But the idea here is pretty simple. As long as we stay above 3.54, we like it higher in copper. Now if I zoom out on the daily time frame, now we can see we have another. Now in the 1 hour we are just looking for this move up, but if we look at the daily, if you look at it from July 2022, you also see what looks to be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. And this pullback so far, at least, as long as we don't break below this low again, so far it was a 3 swings, right? So if you measure the extension here, right, 1, 2, 3, it hits the 100% and then starting to bounce. So there's a potential then that this is a 5 ways up, this is a 3 ways correction, we made the low here, and we start another 5 ways up, as we can see in the 1 hour time frame here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's the idea here from copper. And if you do want to get more updates on copper or any other metals, commodities, forex, indices, and so on, feel free to check our service. We got 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.